guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to the channel. It's still your favorite person, Cindy CJ. So guys, we are currently on our way to church and we are walking down to church today. The girls, they were like, "Mommy, the sun is out, let's walk to church, let's walk to church." So we are walking down now, and from the house to the church is a 15 minutes walk. We used to walk it before I started driving. So yeah, we're walking down to church and the girls are here. They'll be saying hey, they'll be saying hello. Hi girls.
Hi Mama.
You happy you are walking to church?
Yeah.
I'm not seeing your face. Are you happy you are walking to church?
Yeah.
So turn. Yay, so beautiful.
You look fabulous.
I look fabulous, yeah. I never said I look fabulous.
I keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away. It's somewhere far beyond. Keep chasing them.
So, on our way to church.
It's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but really afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but really afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind.
So guys, church is over and we are heading back home. We walked to church and we walked back home. We stopped at the store and bought one or two, like we are munching on some snacks and drink while we are walking back home. Yeah, so it was a beautiful walk. It was a very beautiful walk and mass was awesome. Yeah, so me, do you have the key? Do you have the key?
Do you have the key?
Oh yeah, I think it's in my bag.
Okay. Fish did likes this song.
What a key, me pay dog.
Yeah.
See how this one is laughing like a Congo head.
Fish did is coming today.
Have you? Oh,
Fish did is.
So enter inside.
Mama,
Hi guys, how you all doing? So I just got my parcel just now. I've been cooking downstairs. We just got back from church. We walked to church. I'm sure you guys saw us walking to church and walking back. Yeah, so we got back. I've been cooking. I cooked some basmati rice and stew. I might show you guys later. I just finished cooking. So while I was cooking, I had a knock on the door and this was delivered to me. So let's open it together. So this is actually what's it called? Earbud. So this is what we have. Can you guys see? So it's called a true wireless earbud. This I have an AirPod, the one you put inside the ear, but sometimes maybe when I'm doing my exercise or stuffs, it tends to fall off. You guys should not mind my nails. I will repaint my nails much later today. So I have an AirPod, my black AirPod, but sometimes when I'm doing my exercise, it's always falling off, something like that. So this brand reached out to me and gifted me this. I didn't buy this, you guys. It was gifted to me. So true wireless earbud. So we open it here. Voila. Can you guys see? So cute. Okay. Okay, so this is the earpod. Yeah, is it earpod or earbuds? Okay. So it has a user guide, like a manual, and This is the charger. It has this Type-C charger, and this is the earbud itself. It's nice. But this is nice. So this is where you charge it with this charger. Yeah. And let's open it up. Woohoo! Can you guys see that? Oh, this is so cute. Wow. So this is the right one, and this is the left one, I guess. So yeah, the right one. So like this to secure it. Can you guys see? So this goes to the back to secure it. So even if I'm jumping, running, doing anything rigorous, it will not fall off. So I think I like this. And it's a Bluetooth wireless earpod. A Bluetooth. So even if I'm doing you can use this stuff for running, for sports, any rigorous boom 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 activity you are doing. Trust me, it won't fall off because it goes right at the back. So that's the right one, and this one is the left one.
My face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good.
So Adeze made this. This is supposed to be Adeze, but she turned it the other way. Easy Ada. She made this one for her sister, for her baby sister. So, and then she made this one for me, Mom. Can you guys see, Mom? But this one is too short, like it didn't fit in my hand. But yeah. So she's in arts and crafts in her school. Yeah, I think it's art and craft. So every Tuesday they stay after school. They stay 1 hour after school to do all these things. So that was when she made this, and yo, I'm really so proud of her. She has been doing a lot of creative things, a lot of creative things, and yeah, I'm proud of my girl. So I just said to show you guys this beat she made. Where is Dr. Sose?
I need my checker,
Hey.
please.
Okay. Dr. Sophie.
Oh, that's so fun. It's not strong. It's not healthy.
How is she, Dr. Soso? Did you check your sister? I write some medications for her. See this one.
She's always
Are you guys ready for school?
No, we want to keep playing. It's a twice three star. The emergency has this is twice three star.
Ungwano, let's go.
Oh dear. Mommy, disturbed us. My shoe. Oh, Mommy, my shoes.
Hey, Dr. Soso.
Hello, sweet mom.
It's out of your pocket. Go this way.
What is the matter?
The matter?
Is it a
My hand is spinning me. Check my hand for me.
Oh my god! But bandage is your 25 sticks.
Okay, I should take it. Alright, go, miss.
I like helping people. Wash that hand after the stinky germ.
So yeah, we'll be making this akara today with the beans flour. Yeah, so that's the beans flour I'll be using. Everything is there, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to the channel. It's your favorite person, Cindy CJ. So Soso did not go to school today. That's Soso they're watching cartoon. She didn't go to school today. That's because I don't know if I mentioned, I think I've said this, she got admission in her sister's school for reception by September. Yeah, so she will start going to her sister's school in September. She'll be in reception. So the teachers from the reception, they are going to the kids' houses, their homes, to visit them. And today is Soso's turn. Yeah, so that's why she didn't go to school. The teachers will be coming by 10:30. I think this is 10:20 or even 10:25. I might hear a knock on my door any moment, or my phone might ring. So they will just come, interact with the child, like interact with Soso, get to know her. Yeah, I think it's 2 teachers that are coming. And yeah, that's basically it. Get to know Sophie, ask her a few things, yeah, that's it. So I just said to let you guys know that today is Soso's home visit. Yeah, so after this home visit, I think they also have a school visit where Soso will go to the school, look around the school, everywhere around the school. They will take her around just to know the school. She will be starting in September. Yeah, so yeah, and that's basically it. So Soso is here. Can you come and say hi, guys? So Soso, are you excited?
Yes.
Are you? You see a reception teacher here? Do you know her name? What's her name? Miss
Thomas.
She got it, and Miss Thomas is coming, okay? Alright, go and watch your cartoon. You can go downstairs and grab your fruit.
Hello.
Hi. I'm fine.
Do you want us to take our shoes off?
No, it's okay.
Oh, thank you. Nice to see you.
Hi, you okay? Yeah, I'm fine, and you?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Oh, thank you so lovely.
Thank you. Soso, come. Your teacher is here, baby. You're going.
Yeah.
Coming.
Oh, you look so much like your sister.
You do look so much like your sister. Yeah. Hey, I was a Daisy's teacher last year.
Yeah?
So I'm Miss Thomas. And this
Let's cheers.
Cheers! Yeah.
Hi guys, so we've got an unboxing. Yeah, I'm your baddest brand influencer. Okay, so I got this product from a brand. Let me show you guys. So yeah, this is what we have. Oh my god. You guys see these? Let me show you guys. So guys, this is a bar chair. I will put the picture up somewhere here. So another part. So I need to assemble them properly. Guys. So yeah, that's all in the box. Gadgets. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see this? Oh, this is so beautiful. I'll put the link in my bio, in my description. Be sure to check it out and shop this beautiful bar chair. Okay. Like, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. See, can you guys see this? Okay. Okay. Yay! All set now. I'm ready. So I'll do the second one as well. As well. So I have extra bolts in case one of those ones gets missing. Extra. So yeah, I've set up my chair. I mean, go straight to my description and start shopping. Go straight to the link and start shopping. Okay? It was pretty much easy to set up, and trust me, I will recommend this product anytime, any day. Top notch.